Hello, this video is not for general public but primarily for me. It's happened to be my very first appearance on the internet. So why I'm making this video, it's to I happen to be a little bit insecure and anxious, and I'm preparing for something, so I need to cast away these unnecessary fears and anxiousness. So I'm taking this deliberate step to come out of this mold called anxiety and insecurity. So putting this video on the internet to kind of punish myself, I guess you could say. So yeah.